Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel, and this video is going to be a nice little lifestyle vlog. So if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me and hit that comment section down below as well. Try and get this video up to 40 likes and 10 comments. That'd be greatly appreciated if you can do that for me. I would love that. But this video, like I said, nice little lifestyle vlog for you guys. Why not post lifestyle videos, you know, whatever I do during the day, whatever the case is. I haven't really been doing much during this whole quarantine, but why not vlog somewhat exciting content, I guess you can say. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I will catch you guys in the next. Before we start off this video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to the homie Savon. If you guys see any edits or little things that are different in this video, he's the one who, you know, showed me the ropes, helped me with the whole, you know, making my content better thing. He actually showed me a nice little plugin for Final Cut Pro. So Savon, I salute you for that. It is greatly appreciated. I actually fuck with it heavily. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out his channel, go ahead and do so. He is my brother. I've known him for a long time, probably since I was like 17, 18, and I'm still rocking with the homie. So go ahead and check out the homie's YouTube page. I'll put it right here. I also put his selling website up here as well. So go ahead and show the homie love. Go ahead and comment saying that Brand Flake sent you guys there. As far as the quarantine goes, not really doing much. Today we're back at the old crib where I used to live, which is my aunt's house. If you guys remember, I used to film videos back here, all that stuff. So we're just cleaning up the pool before we go ahead and go swimming. It's actually super hot though, so I don't know if I'm gonna regret this or not. But hey, it should be fun, you know. Better than staying at home, I guess you could say.
Go.
Oh, it's cold. Wrap up this video, I just wanted to give you guys a little quick life update. If you guys are interested in this, if you guys are watching right now, I greatly appreciate it when I just ramble off to the camera. It does mean a lot when you guys watch through these stuff. I guess you can say the last video did pretty well, so thank you guys for all the love as far as, you know, commenting, liking the video, subscribing. It does mean the world to me. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because we are trying to grow the channel. But as far as updates with life right now, we do have more pickups coming soon. Phase 1 in Las Vegas just happened, so I'm not too sure if thrift stores are going to open up, and if they do, I'm going to be out there trying to thrift for bflakessupply. I do have more stuff coming on bflakessupply coming soon, so go ahead and check out the web store if you guys want to shop with your boy. It does mean a lot to me. But things I'm trying to get rid of right now, I have a pair of Kobe's for sale that I'm trying to get rid of for $145. If you guys are interested in that, I've been on my hands for a while. So if you guys want to send offers, I guess you guys can do that as well. If you guys are interested in it, go ahead and DM me or check out the web store because I feel like $145 is pretty fair as far as pricing goes. My girlfriend and I, shout out to my girlfriend because she's been helping me. We have been tie-dyeing some socks, so if you guys are interested in that, that'll be up on the web store as well. Last thing, I guess, on my little ramble, my little tangent, I am trying to push out more lifestyle vlogs, so I'm going to do 2 videos a week if I can. 1 lifestyle vlog. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. So 1 lifestyle vlog and then 1 like clothing, sneaker pickup video or outfit of the day, whatever the case is. One's going to be my life and then the other one's going to be involved around what we're doing right now on the channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy content like that. I know a couple of you do like lifestyle vlogs, so that will be up pretty soon. This video, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little random. Whatever the case was, I still hope you guys are entertained and enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. And then also subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. And then leave a question down below if you guys want a Q&A. Whatever the case is, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. Like I said, you guys can follow me on the web store. Go ahead and check that out as well. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the good stuff will be linked down below in the description box. And then also to sign off this video, I'm going to be posting video game clips as far as one clip at the end of the video from here on out. So hopefully you guys enjoy random video game clips. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Peace.
Take the pain, you're fine.
Yo, there's hella people over here.
Holy shit!
Oh, run! Jump! I wanted that kill, bro. Hey, on me, watch me. This guy on top of me.
If you guys stick to the end of this video, you guys know I like to talk to the camera a little bit for like 30 seconds, but life updates as far as who's watching to the end of this video. Your boy's trying to get rid of these Kobe's, so go ahead and, you know, check out the web store or DM me if you're interested in that. And then also, I wanted to give another big shout out to the homie Savon. This is his page. If you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and subscribe to the homie. Let's grow his numbers up. The man is grinding. Honestly, Savon, you pushed me to do better things in life. You pushed me to make me want to push videos, push things for the web store. Whatever the case is, dude, you're doing your thing. And, you know, you say you inspire off me, but low-key, I'm inspiring off you and what you're pushing out. So thank you, bro. I know we don't hang out and talk like we used to back in the day when you worked at New and stuff like that, but you are greatly appreciated, bro. I keep saying I appreciate you, but yeah, so if you guys are watching to the end of this video, go ahead and comment Las Vegas Select. That is his web store. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys want to support the homie, go ahead and do so. I know I'm like rambling off right now. It's been a minute, so I'm just gonna sign off. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Hopefully you guys are staying clean. And then also shout out to Royce for the haircut. I greatly appreciate you, bro. I got a little early. Got the, you know, the back door, not the back door haircut, the backyard haircut. There you go. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking. You guys have a good one. Peace.